time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight.
And welcome to my build of the corgi Kermit's car. And as we can see, it's a rather shabby player one example. A lot, as in my previous Magic Roundabout one. Lose Kermit's hand and thumb. And here we are. Onto unscrewing Kermit, taking him out of the car. Ready to split the base from the bodywork. There we are anyway, that's Kermit and the screw and stuff. And here, I'm going to be punching the base. I was going to be thinking about redoing it with screws, but as it ended up at the end of the video, there was no real need of it, because Kermit's screwed in. I made it so you could clip it together and screw Kermit in, and he holds it together, so no glue or screws etc. holding it together. And there we are, punching the front one. Getting ready for drilling. And here we are at the drilling the heads off, so I can remove the base. And there we go. I love watching the swath flicking round on the drill bit. It's quite mesmerising. And in a minute we'll be flicking it round to do the front one. Here we go. And there we are, drilling out the front one. The observant amongst you will notice I had it in reverse first. And there we are, pretty much done. Enough to take it out and unclip body anyway. And there we go, off to unclip the body. And there we are, split. The wheels are actually held on by clipping in, and I think I've caught a bit of it in the video where I undo them. Yeah, here we are. I've just put a screwdriver in and turn it till it's so wide, and then lodge the screwdriver under the axle and unclip it out of its clipped in bit. It's quite easy once you discover how. And here I'm straightening the wings in the UK and fenders in America. Straightening them out with a pair of pliers. It only had a little bit they had to move, so it weren't too bad. And there we are, straightened. And here we are in the caustic bath of doom. Then goes the caustic, and in goes a bit more caustic, and leave it to bubble away. Now that it's there bubbling, you can see all the bubbles raising. It amazes me how different paints react differently to it. Some will go chalky and cloudy and colour the water, and others won't come off, but when you're in some, all the paint drops off in sheets. It's a funny old way of doing it. Anyway, here I'm filing some of the imperfections off, like bits of raised bits and little bits of dented areas and seam lines and stuff like that. Just filed it down. And there we go. Here I'm just using my O-ring tools to try and get the paint off. It were a bit big as it goes, so a little bit further on here we'll be using my craft knife to do the same thing. Just remove the paint out of the grill area. And here I'm just putting on some primer to get ready for paint. I think I'm going to get a tin of white, because the yellow I've got, it looks more of a greeny colour with a grey primer. So I think a tin of white or pink's in order. And here I'm just straightening the axles out with pliers, as there were slight kinks in the axles. And once I'd done that, I painted the silver centres. Not that it makes a great deal of difference to the car. It probably did when they were chromed proper, and when they were brand new, but old and used, it doesn't make a great deal of difference, I don't think. Unless they maybe had a bit of a gold tint to them that set them apart on the white wheels, but it doesn't show anyway. And here I'm just doing the engine. Oh dear me, excuse the yawning. It is after all 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, and I'm just doing it with the ink out of a Molotov marker. I'm brushing it on as it goes. And it's quite long, this bit. I could have cut it down really, but look. The engine unit and the headlights unit is quite interesting, because if you look at it proper once it's on, it's like frog eyes, basically, like Kermit's eyes. And here I've mixed the colour up for Kermit's collar. We're going to be painting Kermit's collar any second now. Just touching it in like as I did with the magic roundabout one. Just a little bit of touching up. Yeah, to give him a bit of a refresh and look better. I'm just painting round his collar. For want of a better word, I don't really know what you'd call it. It's a sort of... you could even call it a ruff, I suppose, but it's a piece of clothing pretty unique to Kermit. Unless other frogs wear it, I don't know. And here we are round the back, doing the back part of it. I need some more colours really now. I have loads already, but I'm severely short on yellows. And some of these, the Leo ones that I have, I think it's automotive colours really, for muraling and stuff, and it's pretty weak cover of the yellow. It's probably fine in a spray gun if you're spraying onto white, but actually going over other colours, it's yeah. Yeah, I'm touching up the white on Kermit's eyes because it's been a bit battered in the many rollovers it must have seen. And here I'm just dipping the windscreen in Tamurex 22. Does quite a good job. It's an acrylic varnish like any other, like the floor coverings and everything. It's just the same stuff, acrylic varnish. And here I'm just painting in the steps. And last night I went out doing a bit of photography with my mate's van. Took it up the hills way just round corner from me. Anyway, here's what we started with. A beat up and play-worn corgi Kermit's car with quite a few acres of missing paint and battered fenders and just general, well, Kermit spies worn down, all bits like that. So it's turned out quite well as it goes. And here we're coming up with the finished article, which I think you'll agree looks a lot smarter. He's got most of the paint back on it now, and anyway, if we've enjoyed watching, please subscribe. And if you subscribe, it'd be fantastic if you press the bell motif for notifications. Anyway, catch you on my next video. Bye for now.